Hey food lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect buttery croissants right at home. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's get started with the dough. First, grab your mixer bowl and weigh out some all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, and instant yeast. Whisk those dry ingredients together. Then add cold water and milk, followed by 3 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter. Use a dough hook on speed 2 for about 4 minutes until you get a smooth, soft, slightly sticky ball of dough. Let it rise in a covered glass dish for 1 to 2 hours at room temperature, or until it's nearly doubled. Next up, the butter layer. Use European-style butter and cut it into half-inch thick slabs. Arrange them side by side on parchment paper to form a 5x 7-inch rectangle. Give it a good pound with a rolling pin, then refrigerate. Now let's laminate the dough. Roll your chilled dough into a 10.5-inch square. Place the butter block in the center and encase it completely with the dough, sealing the edges. Roll it out into an 8x 24-inch rectangle. Fold it into thirds like a letter, brushing off any excess flour. Freeze for 20 minutes, then repeat this rolling, folding, and freezing 2 more times. Refrigerate overnight or up to 2 days. When you're ready to bake, roll the dough into a 40-inch long strip, about 4 inches wide. Cut it into 15 triangles and make a small slit in the base of each one. Roll them up from the base to the tip and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Brush with an egg wash made of 1 yolk and a pinch of salt. Let them proof at room temperature until they're noticeably larger and slightly wobbly. Finally, bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, until they're deep golden brown, rotating the pans halfway through. Let them cool on a wire rack. And there you have it, perfect homemade croissants. Enjoy these fresh, flaky pastries inspired by Parisian chefs right in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.